It's interesting, you mentioned clown to somebody that doesn't know the theater, and you think a circus clown, but actually it's diving deep into a sense of play. We brought Chris Bays in for the MFA program in the fall, and when he came in, I was like, it's gonna be a trial run and we're gonna see how it works out and how our students take to it, because not everybody takes to it. And sure enough, I was seeing my students do things that I've never seen before. So of course, I was like, why don't you come back in the spring and we do a bigger workshop? And sure enough, he agreed. And USD jumped on board. They're 4-hour sessions, and then the last day is a 6-hour session. So we literally are doing about 14 to 15 hours with Chris Bays in about 4-day spans. It's a boot camp, and our actors are gonna be exhausted, but I think when they get on the other side of it, they're gonna be that much better for it.
Oh, there's gonna be some screaming, some singing, lots of laughing, right? We just make a lot of noise, because also I'm trying to get them in their bodies without so much anxiety, right? So part of the work is really ferocious too, like there's some stomping and some running around. I want to peel back the layers of the masks that we've built for ourselves in order to see perhaps something a little bit more authentic, right? A little simpler, a little bit more present, but ready to take advantage of what the world may offer you today. Ultimately, at the end of the work, the main thing that I think you're left with is an ability to listen, right? You can listen to each other more closely, to listen to the world a little bit more closely, to listen to yourself a little bit more closely, rather than coming up with a good solution to the scene you're working on, or the play that you're working on, or trying to solve the problem of the comic world, right? You're just living in the comic world.